So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add voice effects to audio here on InShot. So once InShot is opened up, I'm going to go ahead and just record some audio here quick, just as an example. Voice effects. Press on check right here. So if I were to go ahead and play you guys the audio, voice effects. It's normal, but if you wanted to add some effects to it, maybe alter your voice a little bit, press on the audio right here, slide this bar to the right to where it says voice effect. Now once you're on this page, you can go ahead and change it. So if I wanted to do maybe a character, for instance, or a robot, voice effects. You can go ahead and kind of read it that way, or you can go to a megaphone, voice effects. Whatever the case may be, if I wanted to maybe make it a duck,
voice effects.
And if you like that, press the check mark right here. So if I were to go ahead and play it one more time,
voice effects.
I have now successfully added some effects to the audio here on InShot. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to add voice effects to audio here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.